Welcome to the first demo of installing Python idle. Open a browser and visit www.python.org. Click on Downloads. It will show different versions of Python. The latest version as of today is 3.7.4. Click on the version and you can now see the release notes for the same that has the description for Windows users, Mac users, and also the files included in that version. Let us download the Windows installer. To do so, click on the Windows x86-64 executable installer. If your system is of 32-bit, you must download the 32-bit installer. This may take some time. It is now downloaded. Right-click on the tab and select Show in Folder. You can now see the downloaded exe file. Double-click on the file and click on the Run button. A window will appear as shown. Make sure both checkboxes are clicked and click on Install Now. It will show the setup progress. The installation may take some time. Once it's installed, search for Python idle and click on Open. You can see that the Python shell has opened, confirming the installation of Python. Let us print a message, say, "Welcome to the world of Python." We will be looking at how to run a Python program using Python command line, Microsoft command prompt, and Python idle. Let us see how to run a program using the command line. Open the Python command line tool as shown. Let us try printing the same message using the print statement. It works and prints the message as shown. Now open the Microsoft command prompt and type Python and click Enter. The Python shell will appear. Now let's try printing the same message using the print statement. It works again and prints the message as shown. Now open the Python idle. Let us perform the same task in this also, of printing the same message but using the print statement. It works again. Now let us create a file. Enter the same command and save the file as pythonidle.py. Run the file and you will see that it prints the same message successfully, that is, "Hello and welcome to the world of Python." But this time it is not a command that was run directly, but a Python file was running which had the print command. Now let us see how to install Python Anaconda. Visit the site www.anaconda.com. You can see different versions of Anaconda. As we are using Python 3.7, click on the download for Python 3.7. Once the file is downloaded, open the file location and run the exe file to install. A Windows prompt will appear. Click on the Next button. Then click on I agree. Select Installation for all users and click on the Next button. Now select the destination folder and click on Install. This may take a lot of time. Please wait till it is installed completely. Once installation is completed, click on Next. Again, click on the Next button and then click on the Finish button. It will open the Anaconda by default. Close the tabs and search for Anaconda prompt and open it. In the command prompt, type conda list and click Enter. It will display a list of all the packages available. Let us open the Jupyter Notebook. To do so, type Jupyter Notebook in the command prompt and click Enter. It will redirect to the Jupyter homepage. Click on New and select Python 3 as shown. It will open the Jupyter Notebook. Now let us try printing the same message using the print statement in Jupyter Notebook. Write the command and click on the Run button. You will see it works and prints the message. This shows the installation of Jupyter Notebook and the working of Python program using the Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.